Hello, Rody Harris here with Astrawatt Solar, and I'm just walking out of a very high-quality organization called the Sunflower House. They really do excellent work on behalf of the community. We've been selected to install solar on their behalf, and we're very honored to do so. We've been installing solar for quite a while, and we and others realize that nonprofit organizations, schools, churches, and charitable organizations were missing out. They weren't able to take advantage of the largest incentive for solar adopters, the federal tax credit. But with the passage of the Inflation Reduction Act, they made sure to revise that so that nonprofits can qualify for direct payment. The very capable team here at Sunflower House, they did their own research and due diligence and came to those same conclusions. But we've moved forward a bit now, and really we've seen a bit of a trend for nonprofits looking into solar. It makes sense. It makes sense to control cost and to carve out a new energy future. In this particular case, we're going to install solar on this portion of the roof first. They've got a great property and they've got a great roof for solar. Over time, in part because of the equipment we're using, they're going to be able to grow this to their heart's content, and we'll be with them to explore how to expand the system and if it makes sense to integrate storage. So we really approach these as an opportunity to become your energy partner and help you carve out a new energy future. They're excited for this because they have to be careful stewards of the funds that help support this operation, and we couldn't agree more. So it'll be a fantastic opportunity for both organizations. If you're interested in learning more about how carving out a new energy future could be something for your organization, reach out to us. We'd be honored to meet with you and explore it further. Thanks so much. Take care.